friend, please don't run your mouth. If I fuck you and your friend, please don't run your mouth. Baby, what's that? We the only niggas in the front shit with gas. Screenshot your story, I'm tryna see where you at. Next started tripping in the club, yeah, and she tripping. Bitch come to me, and she tripping. Little bitch, and she from overseas, and she tripping. Crazy ex, but this G locking me on the tree. Niggas know I'm killing every piece fuck with me.
Today, we're gonna be changing out the steering wheel on the G8, man. We got the regular steering wheel that came with right now, but I'm switching it out for my new carbon fiber steering wheel. And I got a paddle shifter upgrade, so you know. I'm tired of the slap shifter, so I ordered a paddle shifter kit. We're gonna be putting that on as well. And I don't know, maybe we'll get a POV or something showing y'all how they react with the new trans. So let's get to that. I'm gonna go get the wheel, and then yeah, we're gonna get started. So we've gotten the steering wheel off. We got this tape just so the clock spring doesn't spin around while it's off. We're currently just honestly we're just disassembling the OEM steering wheel because we need these buttons that come inside of here. We need those for the new steering wheel. Because as you can see, it comes with a new overlay, but you have to put the buttons in there still. So we're basically just working on that. It's real meticulous. So, okay, after some time, I got the wheel and the buttons put together. And as you can see, the paddle shifters are on the back. These tape is just meant to hold it so the tape at the bottom can bond so that it doesn't come apart. But it's just, this is like this because I almost broke these buttons. So I had to use that to hold them in so they could dry up. I had to put a little bit of putty right there so that can harden up because I did snap that off when I was pulling it off because I did it the wrong way. But this is basically the look right now. We need to put it back on, but I'm gonna need both my hands because if that clock spring moves, I might screw myself. So let me get to that real quick and I'll show you guys once we get it on. All right, so we got the carbon wheel screwed back in. Now it's a lot of complex wiring that I'm gonna have to do. It's not complex, but it's a lot of wiring I'm gonna have to do, and I'm not really as skilled in that. Might have to call my pops out for this one, I'm not gonna lie, because that's not my strong suit at all. All right, guys, right now we just doing a real boring wiring and stuff. I gotta take this apart. I pulled the loom back. I'm gonna have to take this apart right here, snip some things. I got the directions pulled up right here, but this is honestly the boring part, man. I know y'all came to see these new paddle shifters get used and in action, so let me finish up this wiring, get this airbag put in, and get this thing reassembled, and then give you guys some action, man. Guys, we got it installed. We could slap this over into manual mode, and as you can see, if you guys watch right there, that's me hitting it. You can hear the paddles clicking, and then downshift, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. They work great, man. Now let's get to some driving action. Nigga, we wanna see that shit, nigga. Burbles. We ain't heard that bitch yet. Hold up, I got you. I heard some burbles. I got you. Hold on. nigga almost magged. Oh. No, that C8 is tough. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. My camera high. Yo, that C8 is body, bro. Oh my gosh. Whew. Shit is raw, bruh. For the one time, man. Shit wild, bro. Tunnel. Let me hear this shit scream real quick. To the meet. Look at this line, bro. I don't even know if y'all can see this. This is all cars waiting to get inside, bro. We riding around on gravel right now, dog. Do y'all hear that exhaust? Like, bro. Jesus Christ.
She got it somewhere. I can't chill about no hoe, this shit past me. Said she like my side, cause this where the bag be. Told her open wide, baby, only if you nasty. Fuck up in the room, I take it to the back. ice. She be tripping out and she rockin' ass. Show me how you work it, baby, trip out on this. Show me how you work it, baby, trip out on this.
Yo, this C7. This car caught on fire.
I smell it.
Shit just burnt down, nigga. Stop putting two-step on y'all cars, man. Leave that to them stance boys. I support all y'all though. Look at this, man.
Tenemos el suéter boricua.
That rap cool as hell. This R34, yeah. It's a dream of mine right here, nigga. Good little M4. Crazy ass wheels on this bitch. Yo, the spec on this is insane, dog. Got like a Nardo gray with like a maroon red interior, bro. Shit crazy. We finna tandem, dog. Lost so much ore down the drain, dog. Yo, I know I don't hold well enough to drift, bro. I don't even know how to drive manual. I got respect for anybody who can do this.